In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a to-do list in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so you can create a clean task list that's easy to manage and update. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. This setup is beginner-friendly and only takes a few minutes. Start by opening a new page in Notion. This gives you a fresh workspace where you can build your list from scratch. A dedicated page is helpful because it keeps your tasks in one place and makes the list easier to find later. Once your page is open, insert a to-do list. To do that, type /to-do list and select the to-do list option from the menu. Notion will automatically create a checklist format for you, which is perfect for tracking tasks visually. Now create your first task by typing the name of what you need to do. Try to make the task clear and specific so you'll know exactly what needs to be done when you come back to it. Clear task names make your list much more useful. To add more tasks, simply press enter after each one. Every time you press enter, Notion creates another to-do item. Continue entering your tasks one by one until you've added everything you want on the list. This is a great way to quickly capture work, errands, reminders, or personal goals. When you finish a task, mark it as complete by clicking the checkbox next to it. This is one of the most satisfying parts of using a to-do list, and it also helps you see your progress at a glance. If a task needs more context, add task details beneath it. This can be helpful for notes, reminders, or anything else you want to remember related to that item. Adding a little extra information can make larger or more important tasks easier to follow. Next, organize your tasks in the order you want to complete them. You might place urgent items at the top or group similar tasks together. Keeping your list organized helps you stay focused and reduces the chance of overlooking something important. You can also create task sections by adding headings to separate your list into categories. For example, you might divide tasks by work, personal, or study-related items. Sections make the page feel cleaner and easier to scan. As your responsibilities change, continue updating the list by adding new tasks as needed. A good to-do list is meant to be flexible, so don't hesitate to keep it current. Finally, track your progress by checking off tasks as you complete them. Over time, this helps you stay motivated and gives you a clear picture of what's been done and what still needs attention. Thanks for watching.